Hey, look, tell me right now, boy. Your boy been very consistent lately. You know what I'm saying? You know, go ahead and drop a like down on the video. You know what I'm saying? Leave a comment, you know what I'm saying? Because, man, I'm proud of myself. Oh, we been like 8 consistent uploads? I ain't been this productive since we started the channel, but yeah. Get that out the way. We got some stuff that came in. We got some stuff that came in, so it should be very interesting. Let's get into it. We in the garage. All right, look. I'm testing something now. So look, this is my mic. I be talking to people on the computer with and stuff. So I actually got 2 ones. This is my old one, so I don't mind this one getting messed up. But we gonna be recording some audio footage and stuff with this. We got a few different videos coming out. I'm gonna test with a mic. But hopefully this be what we need to get clear audio from the car. So my plan is to put the mic like right here on the car. You know what I'm saying? I can't block the license plate, you know what I'm saying? But I'm put it like right there. So we gonna see, I'm gonna turn the gain all the way down so I can just edit the footage on my computer. Man, I'm gonna let y'all know how that go at the end of the video. I'm gonna get a startup. I'm gonna get a cold start with the mic right there, with the GoPro and the other setup I was doing. So we gonna see. I think I showed y'all this in the last video. Yeah, y'all know what that is right there. You know, you know. That's what we trying to figure out audio purposes for, because we got the 2-step. Oops, I just showed my address. Hold on, but I think, if I'm not mistaken, this should be lettering to go on the back of my wicker bill. But I'm not putting that on yet because I plan on getting the wicker bill painted gloss black. And we gotta put these little things on the dash. Let's go change the background red. This go to the diffuser when it comes. This right here is what I wanted to get into. We're not exposed that either, but this is what I want to get into right here. This should be my headlights I ordered. Let's see something. This should, ooh, I almost fell out the, but let's see. Yeah, this right here. This is what I'm actually excited for right here. With them headlights on that demonstration. It is good headlights that come on these cars already. But I just want, you know what I'm saying? I want to be a little bit more extra. You know what I'm saying? I like when I see people with the red ones and stuff. I want my headlights red, you know? So let's see. So right here, I got the little Bluetooth module. And I think these just instructions and stuff. Okay, so this the headlight sealing, so they can reseal the headlights when they take them apart. And then these should be the lights in here. So I'm not gonna open all this up, but I gotta go find a place that'll do the headlights for me. If you're in Michigan or, you know what I'm saying, in this area, let me know if y'all know a place that'll install the headlights for me, because I'm really lost on that part. I don't know who installs these. So I called around. I gotta go check my other shop. Probably go drive over there today. I'm probably about to go over there right now. Yeah, we probably about to just go check that out. Get some information on that, because I really want to get started on getting these headlights installed. The diffuser and my other stuff coming in. I got some. I'm real picky, so these side skirts too plain for me. The diffuser too plain for me. Look, just stick with me. Just stick with me, y'all. Okay, that being said, let's go ahead and get this cold start. Cold start action. We about to get on the road. Gotta go to the shop, I think, and install them. So crazy. Mama Dude's got the new Jeep, that Jeep Cherokee L. If y'all ain't seen that video, I'm gonna put the card up top so y'all can go look at it. But she got the new Jeep. Now she leaving her BMW right here. She neglecting it now. We gotta move this out the way so we can get on with our video and get on with our day. So, dude, that's all type, but I don't think I ever put my towels in my dryer. Okay. Okay, let's get it started, man. A nauseous cold start time. Let's get it. Never gets old, I'm trying to tell y'all. Maybe it sounded like an explosion going off in this garage every time. As I like to say, 4th of July. getting in and out of this thing is crazy. It ain't as bad as the Vet though, I can tell you that. It is not as bad as the Vet. Yeah, man. Let's get some heat cranking in this thing, boy. It's cold, boy. It's cold as heck. I didn't think it was that cold. Just cruise around, get it all warmed up and stuff. Actually, hold on. I gotta actually see. I forgot where MC Wills at. Search. How am I gonna go to MC Wills and ask them to install something and I forget the parts in the garage? Very interesting. Very interesting. Okay. Oh man. Whew. There we go. Alright, now on to MC Wills we go. Ooh boy. Straight still messed up them potholes. They're taking too long for me. Like 4th of July every time. I can't explain it no differently. Can't explain it no differently. Now listen to this right here, y'all. Alright, man. I gotta do that every time. Every time I start the video, it just wouldn't be my video if I didn't do that, bro. Y'all, we just learned from MC Whips that the color changing headlights are kind of crazy when you get an installer, because he said they could be a hit or miss. So we're gonna see. I gotta look around, ask around for that. So well, that was it for that. I didn't want to end the video that fast, but that was really it for real. Let me see, cause what else we got? Well, I don't know, man. I'm about to head to my mom's shop or whatnot. Yeah, but If y'all in Michigan, y'all know anybody that do the headlight thing, that do a good job, cause he's saying like he could run into problems getting it done and stuff. You know what I'm saying? Let me know, man, because I want it done, but I don't know, man. I gotta find some reliable people. I gotta ask around. Yeah, that video didn't go as planned. I'm thinking they were gonna tell me, you know, how much it cost or whatnot and all that stuff. But I did get some information on the side skirts and rear diffuser idea. Oh my god! But I did get some information on that. So he told me to remove my side skirt and side skirt, and I think he said to paint them. To remove them and install them is $300, and he said to paint them, I think he said $200 or something like that. But I'm gonna get all the information when we get them. So we gonna get that done, and I got something special I want to do to the diffuser when I get it. So yeah, man, we got some stuff coming, man. Sorry the video was short. It wasn't supposed to be this short, but you know what I'm saying? I might go drive around in that new Jeep Cherokee L. Well, today was kind of disappointing. It wasn't a complete waste. I got some information, so now I know they can help me with the side skirts and all that stuff, but I think they more so for like body work and stuff. They not really, that's kind of electrical, so yeah, I can kind of understand that. So they got me with all like the painting and the body work, they detail and stuff like that. So like they could probably put on my hood and my carbon fiber parts, but so far as that, I don't think they can do that. So yeah, man, we just gotta look for a shop to put in my headlights. All right, man, I think I'm gonna do some POV content for tomorrow, y'all. But as of today, this vlog kind of off. It wasn't the best, but hey, look, I'll make it up to y'all tomorrow. But right now, I'm out.